Hello little stars. Today we will learn about transportation. Transportation means the ways we go from one place to another. We can walk, ride in cars, buses, trains or by airplane. There are three modes of transportation: air transportation, land transportation, sea transportation. Air transportation moves through the air. Some of the air transports are airplane, rocket, air balloon, jet, helicopter, glider, blimp, space shuttle. Land transportation moves on roads or tracks. Some of the land transports are car, train, motorbike, school bus, truck, bicycle, van, police car, taxi, ambulance, auto, jeep, scooter. Sea transportation moves in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of the sea transports are ship, steamboat, submarine, yacht, cruise ship, boat, speedboat,